Hello, students. Today we are going to be reviewing comparing and contrasting. Remember, when we compare something, we're looking at how the two things are similar, okay? And we write it in the middle. When we're contrasting two things, we are trying to find how they are different, okay? And so we write it in the outer boxes. And I did yellow and blue because when you mix them together, it makes green. So that's a good way to kind of figure out like, okay, this is yellow, this is blue. When we put them together, it makes green. So it's a good visual um, for you to have. Okay. So now, today, we are going to learn about Chihuahuas and we're going to put little bullet points with facts about what we learned about Chihuahuas. Tomorrow, we are going to do this side, okay? We're going to learn about German Shepherds and we're going to put bullet points on facts that we learned about German Shepherds. Then the following day, we are going to compare them and we're going to put the similarities that we found between Chihuahuas and German Shepherds in this box, okay? So one day we're going to do this part, the next day we're going to do this part, and then the third day we're going to find the similarities, okay? And then I'm going to have you do your own. You find two things you want to compare, whatever you want to compare, dogs, any animal, okay? All right, so let's first go with Chihuahuas. So I know that you are familiar with Pebble Go. Okay, so you're going to have to log into Pebble Go, find an animal, and I am going to
dinosaurs,
go
mammal,
here to pets
and farm
and
pets,
pets,
ferrets, guinea,
and we're going to do
dogs.
dogs. And my animal is a Chihuahua, and I have a Chihuahua. His name is Chico. Okay, so remember, we are going to read about their size, body, life cycle, care, fun fact. And we're going to try to find facts and we're going to put them on the side. Okay, for Chihuahuas, it's going to go here. When we learn about German Shepherds, we're going to put the facts here. And then, like I said before, we're going to compare them and we're going to put their similarities in this box. Okay, so let's start with Chihuahuas.
Chihuahuas are the smallest breed of dog. They weigh between 2 and 6 pounds, 1 and 3 kilograms.
Okay, so that's a fact, right? And I'm going to go ahead and type it here. Let's make this a little bit bigger. And let's align it. And now let's get our bullets. Okay, so I know that smallest breed. So I'm just gonna type smallest breed. And do you wanna know what a breed is? Let's click here. Breed.
A certain kind of animal within an animal group.
Okay, so it's a certain kind of animal within that animal group. Okay, so it's a breed is Chihuahuas and another breed is German Shepherds. Okay, it's like the same kind. That's the breed. Okay, so now we're gonna exit out and we're gonna move this. Okay, so it's the smallest breed. And then I'm gonna also say that it's 2 and 6 pounds. So it weighs between 2 to 6 pounds. All right, let's look at the body.
Chihuahuas have long or short hair. Chihuahuas can be black, brown, white, cream, or tan. Brindle Chihuahuas have more than one color of hair.
Okay, so I am going to type that Chihuahuas come in black, brown, white, cream, or tan. Okay, because I need to know like That's a fact that they come in different colors, right? So black, brown, white, cream, or tan is the color of fur. Okay. So remember, these are facts. I am not putting punctuation. It's just little notes that I'm taking. Okay. That's why I'm using bullet points. Life cycle.
Female Chihuahuas give birth to 3 to 6 puppies. Puppies grow quickly. They are adults after 6 to 18 months. Chihuahuas live for 12 to 15 years.
Okay. So another fact is females give birth to 3 to 6 puppies at a time. Okay. And they grow quickly. Let's see. Live for 12 to 15 years. Wow. So that means my Chihuahua Chico's gonna hopefully live to be 15. Right now, my Chihuahua, he's 8. Okay. So let's go for care.
Owners care for Chihuahuas. They feed them twice a day. Chihuahuas also need to be brushed to keep their coats clean and shiny.
Okay, so they need to be brushed to keep their coats clean and shiny. Right? Okay, let's see fun facts.
Chihuahuas shiver when they are excited or cold. Chihuahuas are named after a state in Mexico. Chihuahuas and other small dog breeds are called toy breeds.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick that Chihuahuas are named after a state in Mexico. Okay, named after a state in Mexico called Chihuahua, right? Okay, so for today, the only thing we did was this side. We learned about Chihuahuas and we jotted down some facts. Okay, tomorrow we are going to read about German Shepherds and we're going to list some facts about them. Then the following day, we're going to do how they're similar. Okay, so what I want you to do today is just try to figure out what you want to write about. 2 animals, okay, that you are going to be comparing and contrasting, okay? So that's all. Just go ahead and decide what 2 animals, because on Thursday, you're going to be doing this, okay? And then on Friday, you're going to turn in your compare and contrast between 2 animals. Okay. Thank you. And I'll see you tomorrow.